In a world filled with dreams and aspirations, we all strive to manifest our deepest desires. But what if I told you that there's a secret, a hidden trick revealed by the legendary Bob Proctor that can completely overhaul your thoughts and revolutionize your manifestation journey? Picture this. You set out on your manifestation journey filled with hope and determination. But all too often, the majority of people face a common pitfall. They unknowingly ignore or neglect a crucial aspect, leaving their dreams shattered and their desires unfulfilled. That's right. Many people, despite their best intentions, fail to grasp the power of overhauling their thoughts, a fundamental step required for successful manifestation. Let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered why it seems some individuals effortlessly attract abundance and success into their lives, while others struggle to make even the smallest of strides? The answer lies in managing those fleeting thoughts that inhabit our minds. But fear not. On this channel, we have unlocked the secrets to empower you with the precise knowledge you need to achieve a successful manifestation. We will navigate you through the depths of Bob Proctor's groundbreaking methods, shedding light on the often overlooked aspects that are critical to your manifestation journey. In the upcoming moments, we will reveal the tips, the secrets, and the precise actions required to overhaul your thoughts and align them with the universe's unlimited abundance. Brace yourself for a mind-blowing transformation that will reshape the way you approach manifestation. But we need your support to continue bringing you such valuable content. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on these life-changing insights. All right, let's get started. Through rigorous studies and groundbreaking research, scientists have uncovered a captivating connection between our thoughts and the very essence of who we are. It turns out that the thoughts we nurture, the ones we choose to embrace, possess the remarkable ability to reshape our genetic makeup and influence our behavior. The human mind is a powerful force, capable of rewiring the intricate blueprint of our DNA. Positive thoughts, when harnessed consciously and consistently, have been scientifically proven to activate the expression of beneficial genes, creating a profound impact on our physical and mental well-being. But this revelation extends beyond the boundaries of our genes alone. Positive thoughts can ignite a ripple effect within our lives, transforming our behavior and paving the way for a more fulfilling existence. They have the power to shape our relationships, enhance our productivity, and expand our overall sense of joy and satisfaction. Negative words have a profound impact on our brain and body. When we encounter negative words, our brains respond by releasing stress hormones, triggering a cascade of physical and emotional reactions. Imagine this. You're having a stressful day and someone uses harsh and negative language towards you. Instantly, you can feel your body tense up, your heart rate increase, and your mood turn sour. This is because negative words have the power to influence our entire being. Neuroscientists have conducted experiments to test the direct impact of negative words on our brain and overall well-being. They subjected participants to auditory and visual negative words and closely monitored their reactions. The results were striking. The participants experienced heightened levels of anxiety, increased stress, and a negative shift in their mindset. Similarly, in studies involving children, researchers found that negative self-talk led to increased levels of anxiety and lowered self-esteem. This demonstrates the profound impact of negative words on our thoughts, emotions, and mental health. On the flip side, holding positive thoughts in our minds can stimulate frontal lobe activity in the brain, which controls behavior and our response to action. Just think about the possibilities that arise when we consciously choose to focus on positive thoughts. By doing so, we activate our brain's control center for decision-making, problem-solving, and emotional regulation. This empowers us to approach life with a more optimistic and proactive mindset. Now, here's an incredible insight. Repeating 5 specific positive words can actually alter our perception of ourselves and the world around us. Stay tuned for a few more seconds to know about these magical words. But don't just take my word for it. These methods have already positively transformed the lives of over 1 million people from all corners of the globe. They have experienced remarkable success by harnessing the power of positive thoughts and words. And the best part? You can explore these methods for free and start your own journey towards a more fulfilling and abundant life. It all begins with the power of affirmations, the deliberate and conscious practice of repeating positive statements that affirm the reality you seek to create. These empowering words, when spoken with conviction and belief, have the innate ability to imprint themselves on your subconscious mind. One particular set of words, "I'm abundant and grateful," has the potential to create profound positive change within our brain and our lives. When we repeat these 5 powerful words with conviction and belief, we initiate a process of rewiring our thoughts and beliefs. It's like planting a seed of possibility in the fertile soil of our subconscious mind. Psychologists have discovered that a staggering 80% of our subconscious programming is rooted in negative and redundant patterns. These deeply ingrained beliefs can hinder our progress and limit our potential to manifest our desires. But by consciously and consistently repeating these miracle words, we can begin to reshape this programming. Repeating "I am abundant and grateful" is like rewriting the code of our subconscious mind. With each repetition, we overwrite negative beliefs with positive and empowering thoughts. These words create a ripple effect within our minds, gradually shifting our perspective and attitude towards abundance and gratitude. As this new programming takes hold, we begin to align our thoughts, emotions, and actions with the manifestation of our desires. We start to attract abundance and opportunities into our lives, opening the door to endless possibilities. It's a profound transformation that happens within us, empowering us to recognize and embrace the abundance that already exists within and around us. By consciously repeating these 5 miracle words, we are not only reprogramming our subconscious mind for success, but also cultivating a mindset that is open, receptive, and aligned with our desires. We begin to see the world through a new lens, one that celebrates abundance and invites opportunities into our lives. But affirmations alone are just the beginning. Pairing them with the transformative technique of visualization elevates the manifestation process to unprecedented heights. By creating vivid mental images of your desired reality and immersing yourself in the sensory details, you activate the power of your imagination. Through visualization, you essentially give your mind a preview of what you want to manifest. You set the stage for your subconscious mind to believe in the possibility and potential of your wishes becoming a tangible reality. As you consistently practice affirmations and visualization, you reprogram your belief system. Doubts and limitations dissipate, allowing for the alignment of your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the manifestation of your wishes. Countless individuals around the world have harnessed the power of affirmations and visualization to manifest their dreams in remarkable ways. These transformative techniques have the potential to create profound shifts in your life, empowering you to manifest your deepest desires. And there you have it, the incredible power of positive thoughts to shape our genes and the transformative potential of repeating those 5 miracle words to manifest our desires effectively. We hope you found this video insightful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video and found value in the information shared, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Share with us how positive thoughts have influenced your life and whether you've tried implementing those 5 miracle words into your daily practice. Your stories and insights inspire our entire community. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting, keep believing, and keep embracing the extraordinary possibilities that await you. God bless.